Mix carrots with oranges. This is a secret that no one will ever tell you. You will thank me for it later. If you are looking for a natural recipe to boost your immunity system, improve your eyesight, reduce cholesterol, improve heart health, improve digestion, and get healthy skin, this drink is the best immune booster and the most suitable for you. And contains just 2 simple ingredients that are available in your home. Guys, it really works, and besides, it's very delicious. The first ingredient we are going to use is the carrots. Carrots are a good source of several vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which are very beneficial for boosting the immune system. Carrots are good sources of beta-carotene and theine, which are the 2 antioxidants that benefit eye health. The potassium in carrots plays a key role in regulating blood pressure. Carrots are rich in carotenoids that promote firmer skin and younger-looking skin. We're going to need 2 carrots. Gently scrape the peel of carrots, make sure to wash the carrots, then cut the carrots into small pieces. Take a pan and put the carrots. Add 3 cups of water and then bring to a boil. Then cook over low heat until the carrots are well cooked. This will take about 10 minutes. After that time, remove from heat and keep covered. Let it cool for about 10 minutes. However, we are going to introduce the second ingredient, and the second ingredient is orange. Oranges are excellent sources of vitamin C. Vitamin C has valuable antioxidant properties. It increases collagen production. And collagen is a protein found in skin, bones, and cells. Whole oranges promote satiety better than orange juice that is devoid of fiber. Oranges increase the levels of citrate in the urine, reducing the risk of kidney stones. Here we are going to need an orange. Peel the whole orange and then you can cut the orange into small pieces. The 2 ingredients of this magic recipe complete each other to others and are considered to be an excellent fat burner. Let's drink it together in a recipe, and it will significantly increase the functions of the immune system. Increase metabolism and improve eyesight. Add all the ingredients to a blender and then add the water in which the carrots were cooked. Mix in the blender until the mixture is homogeneous. Strain the juice in a fine sieve. You can store this drink in the fridge for 2 days, and for an effective result, continue to drink this recipe for a week. The last optional ingredient is natural honey. You can sweeten this drink with a teaspoon of natural honey. Natural honey is a good source of antioxidant. Drink a glass half an hour before breakfast. So that's it, folks. Don't forget to comment. I want to continue receiving the weight loss tips. A kiss to all of you. Bye.